Reuters, the benchmark S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite hit records on Friday, a day after the Thanksgiving holiday, climbing with commodity prices and with retail stocks on signs of a strong start to the holiday shopping season. After 2 disappointing years, crowds at stores in many locations around the country this year were reported to be strong, according to analysts and retail consultants. Retailers get as much as 40% of their annual sales during the holiday shopping season. By Thanksgiving evening, U.S. shoppers had splurged more than $1.52 billion online, a 16.8% jump over the same period last year, according to Adobe Analytics. Shares of Messiah Euro trademark S.M.N. were up 3.6%. Chief Executive Jeff Gennette told CNBC the department store operator was better off this year than last and is seeing very robust online demand. Cola Euro trademark S.KSSN, Gap, GPSN, and JCPenney, JCPN, were up between 1.9% and 2.2%, while Walmart, WMTN, and Target, TGTN, gained about 0.5%. Their biggest rival, Amazon, AMZNO, was up 0.6%, while electronics retailer Best Buy, BBYN, was up 0.9%. Euro retail spending and online shopping news is looking good, spurring hopes for strong retail sales, Euro said Peter Cardillo, chief market economist at First Standard Financial. At 9:36 a.m. ET, 13:36 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was up 46.27 points, or 0.2%, at 23,572.45. The S&P.SPX was up 5.29 points, or 0.20%, at 2,602.37, and the Nasdaq.IXIC was up 9.70 points, or 0.14%, at 6,877.06. While Black Friday is typically the busiest day of the year for U.S. retailers, the stock market is likely to be relatively quiet, with an early close at 1 p.m. ET, 1700 hours o'clock GMT. 10 of the 11 major S&P sectors were higher. The materials index, a Euro trademark S.SPLRCM 0.49% rise, led the advancers, followed by the energy index .SPNY, as commodities prices rose. U.S. oil prices CLC1 jumped to a more than 2-year high as North American markets tightened on the partial closure of a key pipeline linking Canada and the United States. Copper climbed above $7,000 towards a 1-month high, helped by a weaker dollar and shrinking supplies. A Euro trademark S abbreviated session is poised to move higher as focus on shopping and climbing oil prices are the key market movers of the day. A Euro advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,794 to 651. On the Nasdaq, 1,382 issues rose and 894 fell. The S&P 500 index showed 18 new 52-week highs and 1 new low, while the Nasdaq recorded 41 new highs and 4 new lows.